Today I'm going to demonstrate probably the quickest and easiest way to create an ad and add Einstein, and that is through uploading an existing ad in a PDF format. It makes it very, very quick. Now, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have the sizing of your ad correct. So you can get that here by clicking the Specs tab in Add Einstein. And if you look here, you'll see that the PDF upload dimensions, both sizes are required, both the desktop tablet size and mobile size. You can see the dimensions down here. And if you've watched any other tutorial videos of ours, you'll know that the reason we require both sizes is because Add Einstein will take these two core sizes and morph them so that they literally work on hundreds of browser device combinations without you having to do anything, and they'll look beautifully. So these are the dimensions that you want to create that PDF in. We'll go back now into the ad manager and we're going to create a new ad. And in this example, I'm going to create a Starbucks ad. So we'll just give it a name of Starbucks 1. We'll click Save, and it summarizes what you need to do. We have to go to the ad builder, we have to create the two sizes, and we have to send for approval. So we'll click Go to the ad builder, and that'll give us the options that we have. You can create ads using a blank canvas. You can create it through our library of templates, and for today, what we want to do is click the PDF ad uploader. Now, when you get here, again, you have the dimensions along with the font size that we recommend for the desktop tablet size, which is a 16 pixel minimum so that it can be viewable on the devices. So we're going to browse our computer. We're going to find the appropriate one. So Starbucks tablet is how I saved it, and I'll click open. Now, the one thing that I'm going to do in this example is the sizing of this is actually a little bit undersized, and I did that deliberately because I want to show you what you do when it doesn't exactly fit the canvas that we require. So in this case, you can see it has the leftover here. If we were to preview it, you'll see that there's this awkward white spacing, and we don't like that. So what we want to do is click on the image itself. We want to drag it, and what you can see here is we can drag it big and small, but it's always proportional how we set up the PDF. And what you want to do is cover the whole thing. So we're going to look here under the resizing column, and instead of fixed ratio, which is what it was set on, we want to click no ratio, and that'll allow us to move it literally in any direction that we want. Actually, let's see, I don't know that I clicked that right. No ratio. Okay, there we go. And so you could stretch it over, try to get it there, and then we'll come here and stretch it down. Now, when you stretch an image, you run the risk of it looking funky. So you definitely want to preview it, see if it stretched anything too much. But in this case, it stretched a little bit, but you really can't tell that much, and I think it's acceptable. So we're good here. What we want to do is then go to the mobile canvas. So I'm going to click the tab here. I can close the preview. I can do it from either place. Now, we're at the mobile ad canvas, and for the mobile ad, we require a different sizing so it looks good. And a lot of times people make the mistake of taking an ad that was really looking great on a desktop or tablet and trying to squish it down into a mobile size ad, and it doesn't really look great. So that's why we require a different size ad so you can change your copy and your font sizes. Here you can see the dimensions are different. We have a recommended minimum font size, and I actually created a different ad that was similar, but it is the mobile size ad. So I'm going to open it. You'll see it's a little undersized as well because I want to demonstrate how you kind of make that fix. So here we see it's a little undersized. If I drag it, you'll see that right now how it comes in is only proportional. So instead of the fixed ratio, we'll go no ratio. We'll drag it over. Click preview. Looks great. And the only thing left is to submit, and we'll approve your ad. And that is literally how quick and easy it is to create an ad using a pre-existing PDF.